Hey there, scholars. We are going to use this to create our foldable on weather tools. So I want you to flip it over where there's a line, and I want you to take the paper and bring it to the line, and take this paper and bring it to the line. And then I want you to take your scissors and just cut on the dotted line, just like that. I know the pictures are not completely right-centered where we want it to be, but it'll be fine. Okay, so the first tool I want to go over is the weather vane. A weather vane, or wind vane, I'm sorry, a wind vane. Okay, a wind vane shows the direction using north, south, east, west. The wind is moving. This can also tell you, oh, like it's northeast, or no, it's southwest, because when it gets, if it's moving in between the two, then you know it's southwest. But if it's moving right in that same direction, then it's moving south. So depending on that as well. The next one is this one. This is called a barometer. Okay, this measures air pressure. And usually what we do when we look at maps is we know if there's high air pressure or low air pressure, but they also have numbers that go with it. This one is a wind sock. I remember when we traveled to Pakistan all the time, and we'd be sitting on the plane, and I would see the wind sock at the airport. This just gives you direction of wind. You can just quickly look at it and be like, oh, the wind is going that way. Or, oh, the wind is going that way, that way, that way. Like, and, you know, for a plane, you want to make sure you're going with the wind, or at least you know if you're having to go against the wind. It's not going to tell you north, south, east, or west. This is going to give you specifics. This just tells you, oh, it's going this way or that way. And it also tells you the strength of the wind. If it's not so strong, it might like kind of flow down here. But if it's very, very strong, you can also tell from there. The next one is this one, thermometer. This measures temperature. Now for weather, we use Fahrenheit, but in science, we use Celsius, but then other countries, when they give weather reports, they give Celsius. So a couple of things I want you to know is that in the Fahrenheit system and the Celsius system, 0 degrees is, oh gosh, hang on.